on? So it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got another pizza episode. More pizza. And it's summertime, and I had a couple ideas. One that I've been wanting to do for a long time. Yep. The only thing I can think to do is take all the seasonings, mix them with a bit of butter, and then kind of spread them on. I'm hoping that will work. And in honor of summer and all things that are summer related, this is Bibim from Paldo, and this is a cold noodle. So what I'm thinking with this one is basically just bake a pizza, throw it in the fridge, and throw some veggies on top and see how that goes. Currently 90 degrees outside, it's hot, it's crazy in the Seattle area, and it stinks, and there's really not much of a breeze, and yeah, we got days and days of this, and I know for people in other areas, it's like way the heck hotter than that. So let's all stay cool, try cool noodle pizza and a Indonesian pizza. Let's do it. Let's hit it. Let's make it happen. So here it is. It is done. This is the Indomie pizza. We got 2 tablespoons of butter mixed with 2 of the sets of sachets from Indomie. We've got the noodles on there, loads of coriander, aka cilantro, and mozzarella. So I'm really curious how this came out. Now the other pizza is in the fridge because it's meant to be served cold. So it'll be a little while before that one gets diced up, but let's give this a go. So here we are, that's how it looks. But of course the big question is, how's it gonna taste? Well, let's find out. Okay, I'll tell you, it's really, really good. I forgot to mention also, you might not have seen it might have gone by too quick, but I also put chicken in here. And the seasoning I put on the chicken seems to have overridden the Indomie flavor for the most part, but it's still there. I'm getting it a little bit. The Indomie flavor I'm getting is like very buttery and leaning very much towards the sweet soy sauce. Past pizzas that I've done, I've used either pizza sauce and mix the seasoning with that, or Alfredo sauce and mix the seasoning with that. But neither of those really seemed like the right thing to do with Indomie, so I thought butter might work pretty well, and it did. This is really quite good. I decided to simply put a fried egg on top. I didn't think cracking an egg on it at 425 would work very well. But yeah, this is some seriously tasty stuff. So I'm back. It's been just about 3 hours, and I went to the store, got some bananas and some beer. It's 90 degrees out. It's too freaking hot. Let's cut this thing. All right, let's have a look at this thing. It's sliced, it's cold. It looks like a lot of the sauce went down underneath it. Interesting. And I definitely put too much dough. I mean, obviously, look how high it rose, but let's give it a go. I'll tell you right now, that's better than I expected. It is literally like salad on bread. So on here, there's ham, spring onion, mung bean sprout, carrot, little tomatoes, did I already say cucumber? Mozzarella, and then the Bibim sauce. Look at that. I mean, it's just like Salad City. And honestly, it is somewhat refreshing after walking in 90-degree heat. But yeah, these are all standard things that you would put on a cold noodle. This works. I'm pretty happy with this one. I'm really happy with the Indomie one. Both pies came out really neat. This one just had a lot more breadiness to it, but yeah. Well, thank you very much to the people over at CCC for sending the Bibim. I really appreciate it. And thanks to the grocery store down the street for having Indomie. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye.